Oh, how did I end up here, man? Give me that cheap shit, baby. I actually hate slots. I'm not even gonna lie, I hate slots, but I'm here 3 hours at the Las Vegas airport. It was supposed to be an hour and a half. My flight got delayed. This was only supposed to be a little layover. I was gonna record a little video here, but now I got 3 hours to just fucking jerk off, I guess. I don't even know. Let's do 3 spins together. All right, that's a few dollars. Let's get a big boy in. All that for $2, everybody. Holy shit, this sucks. Alright, that is the quickest and most depressing way to lose $20 ever. I'd rather lose 20 bucks like sports betting, fucking betting on horses, betting on anything, bro. Like, that was the worst. That just put me in a bad mood. Listen, man, the whole reason we're here filming this video, though, filming a video at the airport is kind of bananas, I'm not gonna lie. But the reason I booked the layover for this specific city is because Vegas airport has gambling lounges just like this, but they allow smoke in some of them. And listen, I got myself something crazy. I don't want to jerk nobody off or anything, right? I actually haven't even smoked these, so I don't even know how much they smoke, but from the design, from the packaging, these might be the coolest motherfucking pods of 2024 of the decade. I'm not sure. This is a throwback to like your childhood. This is a throwback to having fun. Just counterculture movements in general coming together like that. I'm talking, of course, about these motherfucking Tech Deck skate vapes from my friends over at Fresh Press, bro. These are ridiculous. Are you kidding me? This little Tech Deck, it looks like a toy. I brought it through TSA, bro. They were like, damn, that looks pretty cool, man. They had no idea that the actual board itself, you can get a little stone from, brother.
How old are you?
25. I mean, check the little skin on that bad boy. Are you kidding me right now? And it's not just live resin, it's not distillate, you know what I mean? They could have half-assed it. They could have just put some bullshit in this packaging and people would have bought it. People would have loved it, in fact. But they didn't stop there, bro. There is some fresh pressed live rosin in both of these pens. Now, don't get me wrong, this packaging is cool. I love it. You know, Tech Deck holds a special place in my heart. Holds a special place in your heart too, probably. But I think this package might just be a little bit cooler, brother. Are you kidding me right now? This Vans kind of off the wall, bro. Nah, hang on. Nah. Oh, yeah. Oh, brother. Oh, brother, we get the little sticker on the inside, but dude, you get it on a little plate. It's even got the little studs on the design, bro. It is not textured, I will say, like a Tech Deck would be. You know, you get the little actual like texture for your fingers. Not that quite advanced yet, but I'm sure they will be. But brother, these little trunks or whatever are actually quality. Like, they get a little, bro. Nah, son. Nah. We'll even apply one of these stickers right now, man, to my little... This bag is very hash oriented. Yup. I won $2. I don't know how people do this, bro. It's the most insane thing ever. The smell of cigarettes is in the air. The sound of winning's in the air. The sound of money's in the air, right? At the fucking airport. Ridiculous. Oh, this just feels crazy right now. Maybe if we get a good rip in while we... No, I was gonna say maybe as the smoke comes out. It's all about the superstitions in Vegas. You know, you want that best luck possible. I never win on slots. I've never once win. Look at this bullshit. What the fuck? How is that not a win? We got $2 left. At least this tastes delicious though. What does it say right here? Oh, it's not even flower rosin. It's hash rosin. For some reason I thought these would be live rosins. But nah, bro. This is so lit. I feel like I'm paying to play right now, because if you don't play, if you stop playing, they're gonna kick your ass out. You know what I mean? You can't just be in here smoking. So everything's pay to win in Vegas, bro. Just hit us for this $5. May this win us some cash. Button's lame, by the way. Don't press the button, man. It's all about this lever. Even though I can imagine how disgusting that lever is, I'm not really the biggest germaphobe, but things like that, or like handrails, disgusting. There's just, my shit's dirty right now, you know? And then sometimes when you touch your phone's out. I won $5, let's go. Yeah, bro, you guys know your phone has 10 times as many germs as the average toilet? When's the last time you cleaned your phone? Don't lie. Don't lie. It's nothing like get it high and lose a buddy, bro. I mean, this thing does blink and everything. I don't want to get too crazy. It's funny, I'm looking left and right, and people are looking at me weird for smoking this. Bro, you're smoking a cigarette. I see someone smoking a Black and Mild over there, bro. You're gonna look at me crazy for ripping the Benjamin? That is insane. World is backwards. We're trying to change that though, you know what I mean? One pen at a time, one step at a time, one little session at a time, you know? We're gonna change this stigma. I'm in the same room as these people. In fact, I'm like half the age of everyone in here. I'm still in Vegas. I'm still smoking, doing my thing. Why are they looking at me crazy? This is Boston. What? All crazy? I do love this place. I haven't been back in months. It's really hot outside, I bet. I don't want to even step outside the airport. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's so loud in here. Holy shit. I'm so stoned. I think the tism's kicking in, you know? Feeling crazy. I'm feeling inspired. Let's put another 5 in. Look at that, bro. They even want you to just fucking run it up. Honestly, the coolest part about these is that they're actually fucking gas, bro. You know, they could have easily just put some BS in there, and it still would have sold. You know what I mean? Like, just the form factor, just this in itself is so cool. Most people wouldn't even care what's inside of it. The fact that they took their time to actually put some za in there, 10 out of 10. Whoa, wait. We gotta try the other one first, but honestly, 8.8 at least. 20 cents. Oh, wait. Another 20 cents. It's so smooth, bro. You can really tell it's smooth if you rip it through the nose. Nose test? Get the fuck out of here. Look at this. Never seen this before. I like that. Bro, what the fuck? I'm so fucking stoned. Holy dude. I don't think I've ever been this stoned in an airport before. I'm not gonna lie. I take a lot of edibles at airports too. That shit's a cheat code. What the fuck? Bro. Oops, I almost ran into someone. Bro, the fact that I can fucking get high as fuck in an airport, ridiculous. Like, legally, and spend a little bit of money, OP. Vegas, you're doing something right. All airports need to take note. Bro, the guy I almost ran into earlier was a fucking monk. What? Imagine if I would've run into him, bro. I would've felt so bad. It's crazy. But check this shit out. My flight just got delayed another fucking 30 minutes. So, yeah. I'm not even upset. I'm gonna just go get high as shit. Damn, dude. I just can't believe this place is real. I feel like I'm in a screaming buffalo and shit. Oh my god.